this is ReadPi with RFID module. On the top side, there is joystick, which is 5A, so for control, and status LEDs, which shows power on the board. And when you scan the tag, so this indicated by this tag LED. Next, 1.3-inch display for visual interaction. Then you have RFID module, which is 125 kilohertz. So on the back side, you will see there is Pico W, and these two are GPIO breakouts for additional hardware interfacing. Then you have battery connector for portable use, SD card for data logging and storage, then buzzer to add audio alert to your project. So now here we are on SB component side. So you can see ReadPi. You have two options, RFID and NFC. So currently we just want to check out RFID version. So for that you just have to select while buying RFID 125 kilohertz, and to get the details you can check out here, and to know more details you can visit on this resource link, which is GitHub link. And on hardware side you will find design files related to this board, so schematic and all 3D files available on this hardware GitHub. On the software GitHub you will find getting started, how to use this board. So just scroll down here, interfacing detail is provided of various components with Pico W, so you can check out that which GPIO pins are used for interfacing, like in SD card, as clock is interfaced with GPIO 18 of Pico W. So check out that, and you can use to modify in your code. Then bootloader section, so to install bootloader, which is not required in this case because your board will be shipped with bootloader boot firmware all pre-installed. So you can directly proceed for the next step, trying out some code. So you can see example code is listed here, and even you can visit into the folder to get more examples. So what is recommended, you just have to do one thing, click on this and download complete GitHub. So already I have downloaded here. So you can open this particular example in Thorny. So you can see I have already opened, and board is connected. Make sure with right COM port you have selected your board. So just to test, you just click on this particular run button, and now you can test. So joystick functionality is working, and even you can try out this RFID module demo code. So for this, just click on this run button, and if you scan card, you can see 45 last, and for this you can see. So you can just download and try this code, modify as per your need. Thank you so much.